So good morning students. Today we will study the remaining topics of this chapter. Okay. So the remaining topics were pasting text. Okay. After copying the text, you want to paste it somewhere, na? So here we will use this function known as pasting text. Okay. So see, to paste the cut or copied text, we move the cursor to the location where you want. Okay. So you will move the cursor to the location where you want. Suppose I want to paste the text here, so I will move the cursor location here, and thereafter I will click on the paste button and my copied text or cutted text will be pasted here. Okay, so text to be placed and then click paste button in the clipboard or home tab. Okay, or you can use what, control plus V. You can use control plus C to copy and control plus V to paste. Okay, clear? Now today we will learn another new topic. Okay, so the name of this topic is spelling and grammar check. How we will do that? Okay, so when you create a document, it is important to spot and correct any spelling mistakes. Okay, so whenever you are writing anything, suppose you are writing any letter or application, you must think that whether it's grammatical correct or it is correct in what, vocabulary or spelling. Okay, so here we can also do this in MS Word. Clear? So we can create a document. We know we can create a document. It is important to spot any correct spelling mistake or grammatical errors that could have made. Okay, for this type we can let MS Word spelling and grammar check. So there is an option in MS Word where you can check your spelling and what, grammar. Clear? So they will suggest you the correct spelling and suggest you the correct grammar when you are writing something wrong. Okay, or when you are unsure about something. Clear? So or we can check the spelling and grammar in the document all at once when you have finished typing the document. Clear? Checking spellings and grammatical mistakes as we type. How will you check spellings and grammatical mistakes as we are typing? Okay, so see, as we type, MS Word underlines misspelled words. See here, pleased spelling is wrong, informs it is wrong. Okay, it is a grammatical error. Grammatical error is given by what, this color, green color underline, and your spelling error is given by red color underline. Okay, so see, as we type, MS Word underline misspelled words in a red wavy line and grammatical mistakes in green wavy line. Okay, MS Word searches its inbuilt dictionary to see if the words we typed are spelled right and are grammatically correct. Okay, so see, here you can see the correct spelling of pleased. Okay, here PLEASSED is wrong. The correct spelling is PLEASED. Okay, so how will you correct the spelling? There are certain steps involved over here. Okay, so you will follow these steps to correct a spelling error indicated by the red wavy line. Number 1, right click the underlined word. We will right click on this underlined word. A menu appears, so this menu will appear and you will select the correct spelling. Okay, number 2, from the menu we choose the following option. Click on the suggested spelling in the menu and the new spelling is what, incorporated in the document. Okay, now sometimes MS Word also do what, see, MS Word words on English vocabulary. Okay, so they don't know our means what, Hindi words or Hindi names. Okay, so if you have typed something in Hindi, see, Ansari is a person who belongs to India. Okay, so Ansari, the name Ansari is not in English dictionary. Okay, so MS Word will point it out as a mistake and will mark it as red line. Okay, so here you can see, ignore. We can click this option to tell MS Word that our entry is fine. You can ignore it. Okay, you can tell MS Word that our entry is okay, but you should keep the original thing. Ignore all. You can also ignore all. Add to dictionary means this particular word Ansari will be added to your dictionary. Okay, color. See, to correct the grammatical error indicated by green line, we right click on the underlined word. We will right click on this underlined word. A menu appears. To incorporate the suggested correction, we click on the suggestion. Okay, we will right click and click on the suggestion, so it will not be informs, it will be inform. Okay, so to incorporate the suggested correction, we click on the suggestion. Okay, if you don't want to incorporate suggestion, you will click on what, ignore once. Okay, now how can you check the spelling and grammar at once? Okay, so you can check here, you can checks by separately, but it will take some time. Okay, so what you can do is that we can do it in one click. Okay, so you can also wait and run the spelling and grammar check all at once after completing the document. So you will run this spelling and grammar check all at once after completing the document. We click on spelling and grammar command on the review tab. So you will click on this spelling and grammar command on the review tab, or you can press the F7 keyboard key on the keyboard. So you can click on this option spelling and grammar check, or you will click on this review option by what? Pressing F7. A dialog box opens and the first suggested correction is highlighted. So here values spelling mistake indicated with red font color. Okay, so here it is given as suggestions or alternatives to the word got wrong. So here we will get suggestions, see, values and care. Okay, so this is wrong, and this thing you can check the grammar over here. Okay, so students, please go through this video. I have explained today this topic, spelling and grammar check, and how you can copy and paste your document in MS Word. Okay, go through this video and write your name in the text box after watching the video. Okay, thank you.